Very good morning to class 5 students. I hope you are fine. In today's class, we are going to study about symmetry in 3D shapes and nets of 3D shapes. For that, come to page number 130 of your maths book. Students, as you all know that what is 3D shapes? 3D shapes are solid shapes like yours, cube, cylinder, cuboid, right? And how do we divide 3D shapes? A plane that divides a 3D figure into two identical means same, identical halves is called a plane of symmetry. In 2D shapes we use line of symmetry. In 3D shapes we use plane of symmetry. What is a plane? See, this is a card. It's a plane, right? So this is called a plane. Here we are dealing with 3D shapes like cube, cuboid, we have sphere and cone. Let us check that how many planes can divide a cube. A cube has 9 planes of symmetry. That means 9 planes can divide the cube in different way. Similarly, cuboid has 3 planes of symmetry. In three ways we can divide cuboid into 2 equal halves. Sphere and cone have infinite number of planes of symmetry. So we can divide sphere and cone with plane in many ways. Okay. Human body also have symmetry, that is called bilateral symmetry. You can see a human body, it can be divided into vertical plane of symmetry. This vertical plane of symmetry is called bilateral symmetry or mirror symmetry. Most of the insects also have mirror symmetry. Okay, we can divide them into 2 equal parts. See, and buildings also have mirror symmetry, bilateral symmetry or plane of symmetry. You can see this is Eiffel Tower and Taj Mahal. Now let us do exercise 9.3. Put today's date. Number 1. Draw the planes of symmetry for the following figures. Remember, here we will not draw line of symmetry like we do in 2D shapes. We draw plane of symmetry. Let's have a look of their answers. For that, I visit page number 228 of your book, exercise 9.3, question number 1. A part, what is the answer? C. A cone can be divided by one plane of symmetry. This can be a plane of symmetry, right? And we have studied that cone and sphere has infinite. It can be divided vertically, slantingly. Okay. B part, look at the cuboid. Cuboid has 3 plane of symmetry. This way or this way. C part, a cube has 9 plane of symmetry. So you should remember, okay, that plane of symmetry will look like this. Last part is a sphere. Sphere can be divided this way. If a ball is there, you can divide it half vertically. Question number 2, select the figures that are symmetrical about the plane drawn. Look at this. Can this plane divide this cylinder into 2 halves? Yes. So we will put a tick. Look at this, a bucket shape. Okay, it cannot be divided equally with this plane. No. Here also no symmetry. No symmetry in this crayon. Yes, there is a symmetry in this cuboid by this plane. You can see dotted plane. Can a human body divided by this plane? No, it can be divided this way, the way it is shown in this figure. New topic for today, nets. Net is a 2-dimensional figure that can be folded to create a 3-dimensional object. You must have seen Mithai ka Dabba or any of your gift box. It is basically a 2D figure. Okay, and once it is folded, you get back to a solid figure. आपने देखा होगा वो 4 लड्डू वाला जो बॉक्स होता है, वो इट्स जस्ट अ कार्डबोर्ड और थोड़ा सा आपका मोटा पेपर होता है जिसको फोल्ड करके आपका एक बॉक्स बन जाता है जिसमें आप 4 लड्डू प्लेस करते हो. जब आपके घर में कोई गैदरिंग होती है, बर्थडे पार्टीज होती है, तो आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हो. ओके, अ सॉलिड कैन हैव मोर देन 1 नेट. येस, वी विल सी हाउ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, इफ वी लुक एट द नेट ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, सो इट हैज़ अ बॉटम. बॉटम के बाद आपका बैक साइड होता है, फ्रंट साइड होता है, फिर लेफ्ट राइट साइड होता है और एक आता है आपके टॉप में. तब आपका बनता है एक बॉक्स. यू विल मेक अ बॉक्स. सो हेयर ऑल्सो देयर कैन बी, एज आई हैव रेड, अ सॉलिड कैन हैव मोर देन 1 नेट These 3 nets are basically of cuboid. See, if I take it as a base, ये नीचे का हिस्सा है बेस, इन दोनों पेपर को अगर मैं लिफ्ट कर दूँ तो ये लेफ्ट एंड राइट बन जाएंगे. इफ़ आई लिफ्ट दीज 2 स्क्वायर्स दैट दे विल बी बैक एंड फ्रंट, एंड व्हेन लास्ट वी विल लिफ्ट दिस, इसको बिल्कुल लिफ्ट कर देंगे तो ये टॉप हो जाएगा आपका, टॉप ऑफ द बॉक्स, क्यूबिडिकल बॉक्स. सिमिलरली ये फिगर्स में मैंने लिखा है, दिस इज़ अ बेस, बैक साइड, फ्रंट साइड, दिस विल बी टॉप, दिस इज़ फ्रंट एंड दिस इज़ लेफ्ट. ये फ्रंट नहीं है, ये है आपका राइट. ओके, सिमिलरली दिस. सो हेयर वेरी क्लियरली इट इज़ गिवन, क्यूब के 3 नेट्स आपको दे रखे हैं. इन नेट्स को आप चाहे तो पेपर में ड्रॉ कर लीजिए एज इट इज़ एंड उसको फोल्ड करके देखिए, यू विल बी एबल टू मेक अ क्यूब. इफ़ यू विल मेक दीज 3 पिक्चर्स सेपरेटली इन लाइन इन पेज and then try to fold them, then you will be able to make a cylinder. Similarly with cone. Okay, now we will do exercise 9.4. So put today's date. Question number 1, name the solids that can be formed from the given nets. Look at this. अगर मैं इसको रोल कर दूँ, okay, इस वे में रोल कर दूँ मैं, right, it will be a curved of a cylinder and these two will be the top and bottom of the cylinder. So this is cylinder shape. And as you see, this is cone. आपको cone का दिख गया होगा. All the boxes are square, that means it's a cube. And if 1, 2, 3, 4 are rectangle shape and 2 are square, it's a cuboid. So they have the identity. Question number 2, look at the given real life objects. ये real life objects आप देख रहे हो, इनके हम possible nets क्या हैं? This is a cube, cone, cuboid and cylinder. Their possible nets are these. Okay. So आपका cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone. So for that answer, come to page number 228 जहाँ पे आपके आंसर्स लिखे होते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 9.4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, A, B, C, D answers are here. You need to just revise them. So students, we have completed all the topics of this chapter. Next we will discuss about a new chapter. So since till then you will do review exercise question number 1. Don't do question number 2, question number 3, 4, question number 5, 6 in the book, and also do the progress worksheet in the book. Have a nice day students. God bless you.